Welcome to RenwilEducate channel. In this video, let us learn few features of Excel. The menu today I am going to concentrate is View menu in Excel. Under View menu, you can see there is Workbook Views, Show, Zoom, Window. Okay. Now, the first is Workbook Views. Under Workbook Views, there is three types: normal, page break view, page layout. The current sheet what you are viewing is normal. If you want to change to page break view, go to click page break view, so you can see the page is breaked into multiple pages, and you can see each page has line which segregates from the previous page. So if you want to add some more lines in that particular page, you can drag this ribbon up and down. See, okay, depends upon your requirement. Next feature is page layout. This page layout will help you to write header, footer, page number to your page. Before printing, you can mention this whatever requirement you have, okay, and you can print these pages. Now to go back to the normal page, go to view and go to normal, and your page will become normal. The next menu is show, submenu, show. There is three options again: grid lines, formula bar, headings. Now grid lines, if you see, these are grid lines. And if you want to make this grid lines as blank, what you have to do, simply go to here, grid lines, and deselect this checkbox. So when you deselect this checkbox, your grid lines will disappear. And if you want to bring it back, go to show submenu and select the grid lines. Okay. The next is formula bar. If you see here, there is formula bar below the menu, and if you don't want to display this formula bar, simply go and deselect this formula bar and your formula bar will be disappeared. And if you want to bring it back, simply go and select that checkbox. The next important is headings. So headings, you can see these are headings A, B, C, D, the column headings as well as row headings. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are row headings. If you don't want to show these headings, simply go and deselect this checkbox. Your headings will disappear. Similarly, if you want to bring it back, just go and select these headings. Your headings will show again. Next important feature, zoom in, zoom out. Now see, you have current zoom view 100%. If you want to increase, that is to 200, you can simply select 200 and click OK. See, your view will be bigger. You can do it here or do it here bottom. So I click to 100, so it came back to 100. Next is freeze fan. Now freeze fan will help you to freeze some of the rows or columns to show in the subsequent page scroll. Suppose I want to freeze this first row, you can go and select freeze top row and when you come down, your first row keeps on showing. Okay, similarly, when you want to freeze your first column, okay, your first column will keep on showing. So this is will help you to show your row or column in the coming scrolling or the future scrolling, so that no need to go back and see that first heading lines or headers again. Okay, because it will show when you scroll down or scroll right side. Okay, this is the freeze option, and if you want to unfreeze, come and click unfreeze pants. The next is split. See, if you see in this page, you have one scroll, only one scroll, and when you check this split box, your page will be split into multiple scrolls. Here it is split into two scrolls. You can see the cursor was here, so this is one row, so this is one scroll and this is one scroll. Next is hide. So hide will help you to unhide the current window, and if you want to bring it back, simply go and select unhide. Your current sheet will be shown again. Friends, in this video I have mentioned few features of view menu in Excel. If you have any doubt, mention in the description section below. If you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate. Thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.